The T07 Mini Tower PC case from GOPIE is a compact and stylish solution for both home and work environments, offering a sleek design that does not take up much desk space. Constructed with an aluminum chassis, this case ensures high-performance airflow that effectively manages heat, enhancing the overall performance of your computer components. With support for both micro ATX and mini ITX motherboards, the T07 provides excellent expandability options, accommodating large graphics cards and multiple storage drives. The inclusion of front USB 3.0 and Type-C ports, along with dual aluminum handles, makes this case both modern and highly portable. The tempered glass side panel not only adds a touch of elegance, but also allows for a clear view of the internal components, perfect for showcasing your build. Although fans are not included, the T07 is designed to support up to 5 fans, allowing users to customize their cooling setup according to their needs.